Hello guys again and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to set up the Xiaomi AX3600 router from the MI-Wi-Fi. At the end of the video you can check and my other videos that I made for this router, speed test, setup from the PC, firmware update, and you can check them down below to the description. Well, let's move on. Go to the MI-Wi-Fi app, make an account, sign in. We've got a message, switch Wi-Fi to Xiaomi 5G, switch. Keep Wi-Fi. And there is the Xiaomi AX3600. Set up now. Internet connection detected, next. Select your region. We can see here we've got many regions all over the world. You can change the Wi-Fi network name, create your password for your Wi-Fi, set as router admin password as well. Wi-Fi password and admin password, it will be the same, can be changed later, yes. Enable 160 MHz dynamic bandwidth for high throughput and better coverage. Finish. In compliance with national laws and regulation, the router is performing radar signal detection and avoidance. The Wi-Fi connection will be turned on in 55 seconds. Please wait. Let's go back. Go to your Wi-Fi settings. Choose the 5G network. Connect it. Go back to the MI Wi-Fi app. And again, we've got a message, pair the router. Now you need to insert the admin password. For me, it's the same as the Wi-Fi password. Okay. And there we are, and we've got a message, Samsung phone is connected just now, 0.7 kbps using internet. Okay. And there we've got some of the settings, deny internet access, schedule time to disconnect from the internet my Samsung device, deny internet access, schedule connection, access control, URL block list, URL exceptions, device info, online notification, QoS. Before you start using the feature, turn on QoS in tools, more tools. Okay, we will see later that. You can rename the device that has been connected to your router. Now let's go back. We've got the mesh network device, home gateway, superior node, internet. Put the mesh node you're editing near to the central access point. The node should be no more than 3 meters away from the central access point. Power on the node and wait for the router system indicator to turn blue. This is to set up a new router to make a mesh node. Okay. Guest devices, manage guest devices. No guest devices we've got. You can add a device, add a new mesh node, add router, connect WPS devices. Guest devices, you can make a guest profile to your router and you do not need to give your Wi-Fi password. You can create a new Wi-Fi password for the guest devices. Toolbox, Wi-Fi optimization. Optimizations is recommended, Wi-Fi quality, signal strength, poor and standard. Start. Optimize it and optimize it. It is improved 48%. Firewall, whenever someone tries to break into your network view, Of course, we've got the menu for that. Let's go back, and here we've got, after the Wi-Fi optimization, the firewall. You can turn it off or turn it on. Security, we've got security level high, medium, and low. High, block suspicious devices and blacklist, notify of new devices. Medium, block blacklist, notify of suspicious devices. And low, block blacklist only. Let's go back. Blocklist devices. You can add, edit. Password strength. Here we can see we've got the Wi-Fi settings. We will see that later. Network security. You can change the admin password. Blocklist only. Block devices not on exception. Let's go back. Updates. Everything is up to date. Check updates. Yep, we are okay. Stable version. This firmware is 15 October 2020. Supported mesh network. Okay, back. Settings. Wi-Fi settings. And here we are. The Smart Connect combining 2.4 and 5G channels to select the best one automatically. When this feature is on, networks will be shared the same name using 2.4G configuration by default. The router will choose the best available signal. Brief interruption may occur during the switch. Turn on? No. I like to see both of my channels separate, 2.4G and 5G, both channel to my settings. If you combine these two channels together, you will have only one Wi-Fi channel, and it will choose the best for your device to connect, if that is 2.4 or 5G. On 2.4G Wi-Fi, you can change the name, encryption, signal strength, high, standard, low. You can change the password, you can hide the network, same to the 5G. Next, we've got the MU-MIMO. Turn it on or off. I would like to be turn it on. The router and multiple terminals can connect to enhance Wi-Fi experience. Both the router and the terminals should support this. Next, we've got the Wi-Fi 5 compatible mode. Some older devices do not support Wi-Fi 6 well and may have compatibility issues such as scan failure or Wi-Fi connection failure. After this switch is turned on, the router will run in a Wi-Fi 5 compatible mode to resolve the compatibility issues. It will also turn off Wi-Fi 6 related functions such as OFDMA, BSS coloring and ADC. I would like that to leave it off. Next, we've got the AIoT intelligent antenna automatic scan. Can automatically discover MI smart devices that have not been initialized and quickly connect them through the MI Wi-Fi app. If you switch it off, you will see at your device the light at the antenna, it will switch off, and you can turn it on, of course. And you will see the LED is on to remind you the AIoT intelligent antenna is on. Let's go back. Network settings, internal mode settings, VPN settings, new VPN, protocol type. Okay, I don't care about these settings now. Let's go reboot router. You can reboot your router from here. Hardware and system, LED lights. You can switch off all the lights at your router or for the night or turn it on. Update, schedule update. Schedule a time to update automatically. I would like to see when my router is updating. Reset password. This is for the admin password. You can change the admin password. Time zone settings and factory reset. Router configuration backups. Auto backup router setting. Backup can be used when replacing or resetting the router. New routing settings backup. Okay, I will leave it off now. Feedback. You can send a feedback to Xiaomi, sign out from your account, unpair the router. No, we don't want that. Share your router to a member, add. You need to add the email, the phone, or the MI account ID. Notification show notification from the MI router. Do not disturb. Silence notification that arrives will do not disturb. Okay. And you can settings when turn on and off. You can select again the region, use agreement and privacy agreement, about the router. You can see the system version, the location, home, work, custom, other, the name, you can change in the name of the router, not the name of your Wi-Fi. Okay, let's go back. More tools, guest Wi-Fi, regular encryption, enter password to connect to Wi-Fi. And there you can enter a new name for the guest Wi-Fi, encryption and password. And that's how you will not give your default password that you've got. You can create a new only for your guests. QoS, limit the amount of bandwidth that each device can consume. You can set the upload and the download bandwidth. Health mode, schedule time to turn Wi-Fi off, repeat once, off and on. Schedule reboot, add the time to reboot. My router. Well guys, that was all about the setup, how you can set up your Xiaomi AX3600 router from the MI-Wi-Fi app. Of course, I have done that by connecting the Ethernet cable to the one port of the Xiaomi. And I think overall the whole process, it was very easy to do that. If you've got any questions, please leave down below to the comments your thoughts. And of course, if something wrong, I will leave down below to the description all about this router. You can check in my other videos that I made about the speed of this router, the setup from the PC, and the firmware update. You can check it at the end of this video or down below to the description. Well guys, that was all about. I hope you like it and it will be very helpful to set up this router from your smartphone. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, your choice, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.